back to my channel. My name is Alaysia Chantae. If you don't know, now you know, and since you know, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that you can become my bestie. So I really didn't plan on recording this video. That's why you guys see me already priming my skin as I start. My brows are already done. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS All Day Luminous in the color Macao. I use this all the time on my channel, so this is nothing new. After my foundation is all blended out, I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I'm not sure of the shade, so everything will be in the description box. So after I apply that under my eyes, to my forehead, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and yeah, I believe that's it. I'm just going to blend that out and get ready for the next step. I'll put some on my Cupid's bow and a little bit on my lids. We're not going to be doing eyeshadow today, but I also didn't want my lids to look super blank, so I just added a little bit of that concealer there as well. So to set all of those highlighted places, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette, and I'm just going to use that lighter shade in there. You guys, I love this stuff. It's like butter. It does not cause flashback, and it just melts into your skin. Super affordable, you guys. I believe I got this from, I want to say Family Dollar, but I'm sure you can find it at any dollar store, any drugstore. Like, it's bomb, guys. Get your hands on it. I also went ahead and added some of that powder to my lids just because I didn't want those to crease up or look nasty by the end of the look. So yeah, make sure you set your lids if you're going to try this look out. So next I'm going to be using the Black Opal True Color Foundation Stick in the color Black Walnut just to contour my face. I'm going to use this on my cheekbones, around my forehead, I believe a little under my lip. I usually do. Yep, there we go. And I'm just going to blend that out. I actually I'm trying something new with my nose contouring. I'm trying not to use any cream products and just use all powder and see how that comes out. Because I notice when I use cream, I go just a little overboard. So I'm hoping for different results. So I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette to bronze and contour. First I'm going in with the bronzer shade, and I'm putting that right above my contour, right in front of it. And I'm using an angled brush for that. And then when I'm going to add on my contour, I'm going to use a fluffier brush just so that I can get more of that pigment. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Major. And then here I am contouring my nose using that contour powder shade from the Black Radiance palette, and I just lightly contour my nose. And for blush, I'm going to use that darkest shade in that BH Cosmetics Blush Neutrals palette that I always use, you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks, a little bit to my forehead and my nose. And to sharpen up my contour and bring my whole face together, I'm going to be using the ColourPop pressed powder, sheer pressed powder, and I believe the color Dark. To set my brows into place, I'm going to use this Shop Miss A brow gel. Nothing special, just to, you know, so they won't move all over the place. So next I'm just going to set my face using the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray, and then I'm going to press that in using my damp sponge. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Prismatic highlighter and You Light Up My Life, and I'm just going to hit my cheekbones, I believe my brow bones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. I've had this highlighter for so long and I feel like I'm just getting it to actually work. Like, it's crazy, but I love this highlighter, you guys. Here I'm just using a black eye pencil and I'm just lining my waterline, and then I'm going to go in and do some winged liner. And for my winged liner, I'm using the LA Colors Graphix eyeliner. I believe that's what it's called. This actually isn't the best eyeliner. I really like the applicator, but the actual product, it kind of flakes sometimes if you do it too thick, so just don't do it really thick. And then it's shiny, so I went on top of that with some matte black eyeshadow just to get a matte look. To get ready for lashes, I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar mascara, and I'm just going to apply that to my top and bottom lashes. So for lashes, I'm going to use some Kiss lashes that I was sent inside of this box from Influencer. I will leave the link for Influencer in my description box, you guys. Check it out. You get sent free products just for leaving reviews. But yeah, I got some lashes, some nails, and some lash glue inside that box. And I'm going to take the style Chiffon. I believe that's the style of the lash. And they're really, really natural. And I'm just going to use those lashes and the glue that came with them. And yeah, I'm just going to apply them. I'm not the best at applying lashes, but your girl tried. I tried. So after applying the lashes, I'm taking the Stila liquid eyeshadow and I'm just going to add that to my inner corners just for an extra little pop. I already did it, but I'm not sure where that footage went, so I just redid it. And of course for lips, I'm just going to line with a dark brown liner, and then I'm going to go on top with the NYX Butter Gloss and Praline. And I'm also going to use this Prismatic type, like it's holographic, I'm not really sure what to call it, but it came from Ulta inside a gift set. I've used it before on my channel, but I just put that on top to add just a little more shine and gloss to my lips. And the reflexes of that gloss actually complemented in the corner of my eyes. And that is pretty much it, you guys. A nice, beautiful, glowy, everyday look with a side of winged liner. Just, you know, to pop it off just a little bit, be cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload again. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.